Hello crypto elites and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at cryptocurrencies Vechain and Vethor, but I just want to kickstart my video by talking about FTX and Genesis. So Genesis is a crypto exchange which holds locked funds in FTX of over about 175 million. Genesis is now having problems liquidating their money and getting the money out of the FTX exchange, which is now having a ripple effect on their exchange, which could possibly lead them to bankruptcy and then potentially have a ripple effect on the rest of the market as everyone's panicking who has funds in Genesis which wants to get their money out of their exchange. It could have a ripple effect, but some of these charts are saying different. So I just want to get all that negative news out of the way and actually start talking about the technical analysis of these charts, which is looking very positive in my eyes. So the first coin we're going to be talking about is Vechain. Vechain, as you can see, we have range below our very bottom support line. I thought we was going to go even lower than that. If we went even lower than that, we was looking at, below a penny for Vechain. But we have had a bounce back up and we are trading above our support line, which is absolutely brilliant news. We are yet to break out this long-term trend line in our Fibonacci retracement, but we are coming to the end of this trend line on the 29th of November. Normally when we get outside these trend lines, we normally see a big break to the upside. And if you've missed my previous videos, because this applies for a few cryptocurrencies, our moving averages, our 50-day moving average, which is a red, and our green one, which is our 200-day moving averages, moving average, is getting closer and closer and closer. And when they flip, it's going to be a golden cross, which means everything will go parabolic to the upside. We have a lot of coins which is like this. As you can see with Vechain, we've had very, very long time of accumulating, and now we are literally coming to the end of this Fibonacci retracement trend line. Our targets, which is absolutely nothing in comparison to the long-term charting of Vechain, is, as you can see, 100-week moving average. Throughout the whole of Vechain's history, we have been trading above this trend line. So our near future, next say 3 months, I'll be looking at a target of around about a 7p Vechain, which is 7 times its current price right now. So this is a perfect time to accumulate your bag. You will not get a better time than this, especially as the Dow Jones is pretty much going back to the upside. The S&P 500, even the altcoin market cap has bounced off the bottom support line. So there's so much negative market sentiment out there right now. We're getting all of this negative news from Twitter, Instagram, YouTube, but the charts are looking bullish in my eyes. I have been doing this a very long time. I'm not a financial advisor, but there's just so many indicators to say, yeah, we're actually going to go to the upside. Now let's move on to Vethor. Vethor, again, we have bounced off our bottom support lines. This is a common trend throughout majority of the cryptos right now, and we are retracing back up to our 50-day moving average, and then when we go through that, we'll look to hit our 200-day moving average. We do have quite a lot of stages that we need to get to our 100-week moving average, which is up here again, 5 times this current amount. But at the same time, there's nothing in terms of the grand scheme of things. We've done it many times before. So now, again, if you haven't accumulated your bag at this point, I suggest that you do so. If you do like my content, please subscribe to my channel. If not, just leave a comment below. Thank you for watching.